Hi, my name is Jamie Weekly, and today I'm going to be teaching you why the algorithm that we use for division works when we try and use it to do this problem. The division algorithm is putting some things into groups of a fixed size and then counting how many groups you can make. Now, I don't have someone filming for me today, so I'm going to do each step of the problem and come back and tell you what I did so you have a good understanding of why. Alright, so what I've done so far is taken 34 and tried to divide it into this 2, and that didn't work, so I put a 0 up top. Did the same for dividing 34 into 28, and that didn't work, so I put the 0 on top. Finally, I tried to divide 34 into 289, and that worked, and I got 8. So we put things or numbers into groups of a fixed size, and that fixed size is 34. And we're trying to figure out how many groups of 34 we can make out of 2,890 things. So what we have so far is that 34 goes into 289 8 times, and we get 272 when we multiply 8 times 34. So we subtract and we get 17. And the next step in long division is to drop down the next integer. So I dropped down the 0. And finally, for my last step, I took how many times 34 went into 170, and I got 5 even. So I multiplied 5 times 34 and got 170, and then did the last subtraction of that and got 0. So now we've divided 34 into all the numbers and done all the steps. So we have come to the conclusion that 2,890 divided by 34 is 85. So this means that putting some things into groups, so we put numbers of a fixed size. So we put numbers into fixed groups of 34, and then we counted how many groups we could make out of this number. So we made 85 groups of 34 out of 2,890.